A boy with strong belief. Sheikh Fahd al-Mozili relates, once I saw a young boy walking through the jungle. It appeared as if he was uttering some words. I greeted him with salam and he replied accordingly. I inquired, "Where are you going?" He retorted, "To the house of Allah." I further asked, "What are you reciting?" "The Quran," he replied. I remarked, "You are at a tender age, it is not an obligation that you are required to fulfill." He said, "I have witnessed death approach people younger than me and therefore would like to prepare if death was to knock on my door." I astoundingly commented, "Your steps are small and your destination far." He responded, "My duty is to take the step and it remains the responsibility of Allah to take me to my destination." I continued to ask, "Where is your provision and conveyance, means of transport?" He replied, "My yaqeen, belief, is my provision and my feet are my conveyance." I explained, "I am asking you regarding bread and water." He replied, "O Sheikh, if someone invited you to his house, would it be appropriate to take your own food?" I exclaimed, "No. Similarly, my Lord has invited his servant to his house, it is only the weakness of your yaqeen that makes us carry provisions. Despite this, do you think Allah will let me go to waste?" "Never," I replied. He then left. Some time later I saw him in Mecca. He approached me and inquired, "Oh Sheikh, are you still of weak belief?"